What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. What's up guys, so we're just taking a really quick look at Elrond here, and as you can see, it's had an absolutely incredible smash off the pickup of that 55 bounce, hasn't it? And you can see, it's pretty much met our target for yesterday's video perfectly, hasn't it? Absolutely bang on to the money. We've come all the way up to around that $205 resistance level, and we are currently in and around that level right now. You can see we came up to that level pretty much exactly as predicted. We did think that, in between that $200 and that $205 level would be a strong level of resistance. And you can see we've basically come up to that level, smashed into it, and now, we're currently trading in and around it, aren't we? If we start to break out of this, we're going to be potentially going on an absolute crazy tear for Elrond, maybe up to the all-time high of $250, because as we said, it's the next key level, isn't it? But it does look as though, we're meeting quite a significant amount of resistance here, but quite clear what's happened. You can see on this chart overall, obviously got the big descending wedge. As we always say, we're trading downwards, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We come up again, we obviously make our higher high and our higher low. We reverse the trend, we're coming up like this. We obviously have the big crash yesterday, or a few days ago, where basically all the whales dumped on that Bitcoin event, and the price come all the way down to around that $135 mark. We perfectly touched the 55 moving average here. Got a bounce off of it. We reclaimed the 20 perfectly here. Look how good this is. We come all the way down. We double bottom test. We basically double test this 55 level. We wick all the way back up onto the 20 here. Really, really strong. As you can see, we've been holding the 20 as support ever since we flipped it. And we've been flipped bullish here. And you can see it's forced us to go on a tear, hasn't it? And you wouldn't expect this to happen so soon, but it's absolutely ripped out the gates. Looking really, really strong. We come all the way up from around, what is this, $135, all the way to up to that $200-ish level, where we are now meeting a bit of resistance. And, that makes total sense, considering what we're seeing. We had our bit of our range like this, didn't we? With the fake out to the downside, we come up, we back test the range beautifully. We form another nice little range, looking something like this, which we have actually back tested in confluence with that 20 moving average there. And now we formed another little range like this, which we actually broke out of again. And you can see we've come up to our next level of resistance as we predicted, at around that $200 level, and now we're at around $200 now. So things looking really strong for Elrond, aren't they? So quick short-term price predictions there. Now we've ascertained what's going on. It really is as simple as that. You can see if we roll over here, we would want to, we want to retest this previous resistance as support at around $181. We've also got, the 20 coming up here, potentially at around $170 as strong support if we did roll over. Those would be our short-term price predictions to the downside. Also, there's obviously always the 55. If we have a big rollover in the market at around $140 as well, for a nice bit of support. And then, if we break this level now, basically the short-term price prediction is the all-time high, isn't it? Because there's no more resistance. So $250 if we break this next level of resistance would be our next price target. And then a quick look at the fib retracement. You can see on our extensions, we've got price targets here. Once we break the all-time high, which seems very likely soon, we've got the 127 coming in at around $371. We've got the 141 coming in at $460. We've got the 161 coming in at around $626. And we've got that big 227 extension at around $1,700. So we think realistically, Elrond at least $1,000 by the end of the bull run, maybe even $1,500 and upwards of that 227 extension. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.